Hi students, a very good morning to one and all. How are you all? Hope you all of you good. Welcome to online class. Today our topic is central level financial institutions. Students, earlier we completed two topics from our fifth unit, that is our last unit. First one is commercial banks, second one is major financial institutions in India. Now today topic is central level financial institutions. Students, there are many financial institutions to provide financial services to establishment of number of entrepreneurships in India. Regarding that, there are the few institutes we have to discuss. First one is small scale enterprises board, that is SSIB. SSIB also called Small Industries Board, which was established in 1985. Next one, Small Industries Development Organization, SIDO. Here SIDO is a subordinate office of Department of SSIB. It is a SIDO is a one of the department, one of the sub department, sub activity to SSIB. It is a support SIDO support to the SSIB. SIDO is a one of the part or one of the department of SSIB. Next one, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC. So what are the KVIC major role? The major role of KVIC is planning, organizing and policies and programs in rural areas, conduct awareness programs. Majorly KVIC to conduct awareness programs in villages and rural areas regarding to entrepreneurship. They can providing the different awareness programs. They can creating entrepreneurship programs. What are the different benefits of entrepreneurship? What are the importance of entrepreneurship regarding to the country? Like that, the KVIC to conducting the different awareness programs in rural areas. Next one, National Small Industries Corporation Limited, that is NCIC. Next one, National Institute for Small Industry Extension and Training, NISIET. This is a one of the institute at national level to conducting the different training programs, and they maintain the small industry extension programs, how to extension of our business, how to expansion of our business, to providing them different training programs at the central level, different government officials to conducting the different training programs and providing them different activities regarding to the training for entrepreneurs. Next one, Small Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Businesses Development, NISBUD. This is one of the board to development of small businesses at the central level. These are different central level financial institutions. Students, regarding that, majorly we have to focus on the two institutes at the central level. The first one is National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC. That is NSIC, an enterprise under the Union Ministry of Industries, was set up in 1955 in New Delhi to promote, aid and facilitate the growth of small scale industries in the country. The major ultimate vision of NSIC is to develop small scale industries in countries, to providing the different facilities. What are the requirements to need for the extension, establishment of small scale industries? That all facilities provided by the NSIC. NSIC is a one of the roadmap for establishment of number of small scale industries in the country. To encourage, to support the different small scale entrepreneurs in India. What are the requirements need for establishment of small scale industries? That all facilities provided by NSIC. Here NSIC offers a package of assistance for benefit of small scale enterprises. What are the financial supporters? What are the special packages for establishment of small entrepreneurship or small scale industries? Everything provided by, everything the special assistance by central government of India, that is NSIC. Here what are the special offers? First one, single point registration. Registration under this scheme for participating in government or public sector undertaking the tenders. So what are the registration process? So anyone want to start a small enterprise, what is the registration process? This NSIC providing the single point registration facility for establishment of small scale enterprises. Next, information service. NSIC continuously gets update with the latest specific information on business leads, technology and policy issues. Any information, either technology or any policy regarding to the small scale industries, that everything update information provided by NSIC. Whatever the latest technology to lead the small businesses, what are the latest policy issued by the central government, that can also information provided to the small scale industries, that is only possible by NSIC. Next one, raw material assistance. NSIC fulfills raw material requirements of small scale industries and provide raw material in convenient and flexible terms. This is also fulfillment of raw material requirements. What are the general requirements of the establishment of small scale industries? So as well as you know, general requirements like men, machine, money, material, methods, these are the different materials, these are the different sources to establishment of the small scale industries. Whatever the raw material, so at a flexible time, flexible terms to provide these all facilities by NSIC. Next, meeting credit needs of SSI. So NSIC facilitates sanction of term loan, working capital, credit limits of small enterprises from the banks. What are the financial assistance regarding to the small establishment of small scale industries? Either term loan, either working capital credit, so whatever it may be, everything that must be provided by NSIC. Students, all of you very well, I told you number of times. So you have the full any commitment regarding to establishment of any small business. So you have any creative idea that must be provided, that must be supported by the NSIC. So we have an excellent creative idea, need of enough that can every facility must be provided by government. Next one, performance and credit rating. NSIC gives a credit rating up to 75% to get better credit terms from the banks and export orders from the foreign buyers. So your performance, according to performance raised, everything, every credit facility, every bank's facility, that must be provided by the government. This is a simply story about National Small Industries Corporation. Next, a second major financial institute at a central level, National Productivity Council, NPC. National Productivity Council, NPC. NPC is an autonomous institution functioning under the overall supervision of the Ministry of Industry, Government of India. NPC is one of the autonomous body. They have to developing the different industries, providing the different training programs. It's a majorly working under the supervision of the Ministry of Industry of Government of India. Here, the primary objective is to act as a catalyst in enhancing productivity of all sectors of the economy, including industry and agriculture. Majorly, it is a act as catalyst, it is a mediator regarding to the industry's development of number of industries and agricultures in India. Here, NPC administered by a tripartite governing council which has equal representation from the government, industry and trade unions. Here, what are the major objectives of NPC? Focus on training and HRD activities. This NPC development of different entrepreneur skills identify the creative entrepreneurs in India to providing the different training programs to develop their business skills, to develop their business knowledge, how to establishment of business, how to maintaining the business, what are the different problems, what are the different challenges in the business, how to overcome them and face the challenges in the business, how to effectively and efficiently managing the business. Like that, different training programs and different HRD activities provided by the NPC. Productivity, which means development of the different skills, different knowledge in the aspect of the young entrepreneurs and interested entrepreneurs. NPC is a member of Asian Productivity Organization APO, which is Tokyo, an umbrella body of all productivity council in Asian regions. It is one of the NPC is a member of Asian Productivity Organization, that is APO in Tokyo. It is NPC is a umbrella body of all productive councils in Asian regions. It is a major body of an Asian country to providing the different training assistance, providing the different HRD activities in the national level. So students, so there are the different financial institutions at central level. Regarding that, we have to majorly discuss about National Small Industries Corporation NSIC. Next one, National Productivity Council NPC. This is the third topic of our entrepreneurship. Thank you so much. Stay at home and be happy. Thank you.